will follow shortly is the Manual of Arms. The troop commander prepares the troops in this formation to show us their skills on the proper execution of the Manual of Arms. This aims to develop the cadet spirit of teamwork, confidence, synchronization of movement, alertness, and of course, discipline.
Alpha is snappy, no? Serious? Oh. Baba deh. Ang ulo lagi magdumi.
Again, what you're witnessing is the adjutant's trot, which is, of course, an execution faster than walking. He is now ready to receive the reports from the various units. The S1 and adjutant in this case is now publishing the orders, and that is to prepare the officers, the identified officers, for the officers center.
Ketahuan. Snappy.
All unit commanders and unit leaders are now ordered to execute semi-base for the officers' center, which is part of the tradition in a ceremony, in order to render reports to constantly keep the commander informed.
Asa masih.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are about to witness the parade and review
Ang boy di agi pagkid.
May we request the chairman of the rally team to please step forward to acknowledge the courtesy extended by the unit leaders. Approaching the grandstand, ladies and gentlemen, is Alpha Company under the command of Cadet Major Marlon D. Alonso, first class, with Cadet Captain Veraclor Ena Banquez, second class executive officer. Alpha Company first platoon is under Cadet First Lieutenant James Menyo C. Espinosa, second class, and Alpha Company second platoon is under Cadet First Lieutenant Samuel O. Gargoles, second class. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise to honor the colors. Bravo Company is next on the line under the command of Cadet Major Adrian S. Melgo, first class. Bravo Company Commander with first Cadet Captain Shalame Gabito, second class executive officer. Bravo first platoon led by Cadet First Lieutenant Rosalie Javier. And second platoon is under Cadet First Lieutenant Rec Abad Yu, second class. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, joining in the ranks of the ceremonial parade, let us again welcome the headquarters company with Cadet Major Kirsten T. Velasco, second class, and Cadet Captain Michelle Acorel, third class, executive officer. Headquarters first platoon is under Cadet First Lieutenant Jamaica S. Magno, second class. Second platoon is under Cadet Second Lieutenant Camille Jane Orzales, second class. Charlie Company is next in line under the command of Cadet Major Shalomel M. Tunda, first class, with Cadet Captain John Paul Canoy, second class, executive officer. Charlie first platoon is under Cadet Second Lieutenant Sean Wayne Martinez, third class. Charlie second platoon is under Cadet Second Lieutenant Ronald Bidoria, third class. Delta Company is under the command of Cadet Major Axel Mark Diente, first class, and Cadet Captain Christian Dumug, second class, executive officer. Delta first platoon is under Cadet Second Lieutenant Richard Abatayo, third class. Delta second platoon is under Cadet Second Lieutenant Jirel Saldi Buaya, third class. We have Eagle Company next under the command of Cadet Major Jerilyn Kabasag, first class, and Cadet Captain Aileen Singson, second class, executive officer. Echo first platoon is under Cadet Second Lieutenant Christian Ilguera, third class. Echo second platoon is under Cadet Second Lieutenant John Alexis Candelario, third class.